Hey, how's it going, kids? This is Dr. Callahan with week 16 Tuesday. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video to answer the following 3 questions for your warm-up log. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at your answers or your questions for today. So today you need to turn over to week 16 Tuesday in your white guided notes, and it looks like this. And we're talking about standard deviations today. So first thing I want you guys to do is go ahead and read this example right here in your white packet. Okay, we're going to start off with the first example right here. First thing to do is you're going to need to find the mean of the data. And what I mean by that is you're going to go ahead and find the average of these numbers right here. We are going to add them all together and then divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your sum of these numbers should be 72.5 divided by 5. Your mean, or your x bar, is going to be 18.125. So 18.125, write that down for all the boxes here. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take x minus x bar. So you're going to subtract these numbers together and then write it down in the next column. Negative 4.725. Bless you. Negative 6.425. $0.175, negative 3.325, and then negative 3.825. Okay, then what we're going to do is you're going to take these numbers and you're going to square them. So you're going to take this, put a square, or it's the same thing as negative 4.725 times negative 4.725. So your first one is going to give you a positive 22.33. Next one is going to give you a 41.281. This one is going to give you a 0.030625. After that, a 14.631. Or sorry, 14.631. That's the next one. This one is 11.056. Okay, so now that I have these numbers here, take a look at the next piece. This capital E just means sum. So what that means is you're going to be adding these numbers together. So go ahead and add them. So 22.33 plus 41.281 plus 0.30625 plus 11.056 plus 14.631, which is going to give you a total of so let's go and take a look what the total is going to be. So we're going to do 22.33 plus 41.281 plus 0.030625 plus 11.056 plus 14.631. Altogether, your sum is going to be 89.33 divided by n. Your n, remember, is a 5. Okay, so I'm going to divide it by 5, which is a 17.8657. But then do you see the square root right there? So you got to find the square root button, type that answer in. Oops. Hit enter, and then you should have 4.226. And this right here is your standard deviation. Okay, so now what I'll have you guys do is you're going to take a look over here. Oh, actually, look at the quick. Which data has a greater standard deviation? Well, this one that you just found was a 4.226. This one, the first one, was a 2.79. So this means that data 2 is more spread out because it has a bigger standard deviation. All right, so I'm going to take a look over here for 1. And here is data set 1. So your data set here is going to be 5, 9, 11, 4, 6, 11, 2, 7. And what you're going to do with this is, once again, you're going to find the sum of these numbers. So 5 plus 9 plus 11 plus 4 plus 6 plus 11 plus 2 plus 7. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your sum is going to be 55. And you're going to put that for all of these numbers. 55 divided by 8 is going to give you a it's going to give you a 6.875. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and subtract them from each other. So 5 minus 6.871, so negative 1.875. And you're going to do that for all of them. And you're essentially just going to go ahead and repeat this with this part right here. All right, so when you guys are done with this one here, with data 1, you're going to do the same thing with data 2. And then you're going to go down to the bottom over here and give this one a try as well. All right, you guys, that's basically it. It's just on simple standard deviation. I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.